Alexandra, and I'm back again with another video. So as you guys can see by the title, I'll be refreshing this braid right here. That you guys can see it's really a hot mess. It's all, you have all, you know, grow out and everything. We're gonna fix that. Let's just get right into the video. First, I washed it and I let it and I blow dried it. However, I did not film it on camera, so I don't have it. I shampoo my hair once, I put condition my hair once, and I gently just, you know, just like this, just like, you know, scratch in between. I did not like, and then I just pat it down. After I was finished, I took my blow dryer and I blow dried it, and that's it. So as you guys can see, I already have my edges a little laid. That's because I had to go to work earlier today. But as you guys can see, my hair is all in a mess. It's frizzy and what's not. Look at this. So we're gonna fix that. We're just gonna need two simple stuff. As you guys can see, some of my miracle drops from Kaleidoscope. I'm just gonna simply dot it here, put it here. This is, in this bottle is my miracle drop also. So I put my miracle drop, some of it, inside this bottle just to spray it on so I don't have to drop. Now you're just gonna get your Eco Styler gel or edge control, which is this right here. Styler gel right here on my hand, and just simply you know, and you're gonna want to pick up your edges. If you have them laid, just scoop them up like this inside of the part like this, so you guys already see what I'm doing. So you get your edges, you put it inside of the part just like this. Get your edges, put it inside of the part. Take this, put it with edges, I'm just gonna put some right to the back here. You can also use mousse if you want to, but I find the gel will actually keep it in place. So you just, to get all your ends from outside, you just, in these here, you're just gonna use your gel and simply tuck it in, tuck it in, tuck it in. This one here compared to this one. I'm just gonna simply pass some more gel to the top to ensure everything is nice. And you can see we hardly have any frizz. We hardly have any frizz now. So we're just gonna get a layer more of the eco gel right here to ensure it's all scooped nice and neat to our likings. Put this right here, right to go over it, and I'm gonna tie it. Tie it like this. We're gonna make sure everything is all good inside. Be ready. You see the before? All done. And we are ready to hit the road. Yes, we are ready to hit the road. So we got our edges sleek, all laid. We got our hair all done and ready to go. So we went from I hope you guys actually find this video interesting, because I did not know how you guys actually feel about me actually doing this video, but sometimes we have in our braids for a while and we're not ready to take it out, however it's not looking good. So I was like, why not you guys how to make your hair kind of look fresh even though it's not really fresh. So it's once your edges laid, you just put in some gel, you just add some gel onto your hair and you're good to go. But remember, the edges must be laid. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell down below to get alert when I post a new video, and that's gonna be very soon. If you guys haven't seen my learning how to dance with my cousins, it will be in the description box down below. Also, don't forget to check out my reaction video to Janaiko. I really do not know how to pronounce her name. Janaiko, Big Sean, none of your concern. Oof. Check that out in the description box down below. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Wait, I forgot something. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at ajaeli.01. that is AJAELE.01, and on Snapchat at exo28_ this beauty, exo28_beauty. And in the next slide you see everything. Bye for good now.